Good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah, you okay? Enjoying this proper wet and windy and not great autumn day. We are definitely in autumn now. But hey, this is what we expect. Today's what's the date today? It's the 5th? Yeah, it's the 5th of September already. I know. I was saying to my daughter the other day, next steps is we're talking about Halloween, Black Friday, and then we're looking at Christmas. I know, it's crazy already. 2024 is nearly done. But anyway, so today I am doing my Glossybox. It has arrived. Yep, I have got variation, it normally says here somewhere, I have got variation 1. Okay, so Glossybox, monthly beauty subscription box. It costs, if you buy it on a month-to-month basis, it costs £13, I believe. I think it's £13. I do the thing where I sign up for the year, so that makes the box a little bit cheaper for me each month. So I pay £11.50, I believe, a month for the box. You will get about 5 items in there, 5 beauty related items in there. Sometimes you get a full size, but more often than not it's a travel sized item in there. The value of the contents, they say, is going to be about £50, maybe £60 for the total contents of the box. We get leaflets, so the leaflets are usually look fantastic and sort of a doggy one, but I'll just go quickly through these. So we've got Wild, that's the deodorant, and you can subscribe to that. We have got the Hello Fresh, so that's usual. There's a code there if you want to use it. We've got the tails.com. This is the one for pet food. Yep, so it's that one. Don't know if there's a code. Yeah, there's a code here, so if you want to use my code, there you are. And then this one is Fussy. I haven't heard of this one before. Get 50% off the UK's top rated natural deodorant. No, tell a lie, I have heard of this. I saw an advert for this on YouTube. I was looking at that actually, because I'm due to get some more Wild deodorant, but I was wondering if I should stop and try something different. And I think this one is British based, so I might switch from Wild to this one actually, just give them a go. Yeah, I think I might give this one a go, so we will see. So I've got my box this month. It's a thumbnail picture. There we are. Before I go through this, let me go through quickly how I got on with last month's box. So let me see if I can find the information here. Let's do it quickly. I don't actually remember using anything from last month. Let's just see, what did we get last month? Right, so we got 6 things last month. The first thing was from Tease, and it was mascara. The mascara is actually alright. I have used it, I've opened it and used it. I'm not sure where it is. I haven't got it down here, so that means I've probably got it upstairs. So it's what I do. I'll use when I'm upstairs doing my makeup. I do my makeup either down here or I do it upstairs in my bedroom. So it's probably upstairs in my bag upstairs. So that's something I have kept. The other thing was from Appeal Cosmetics lip liner. Pretty certain I put that in my giveaway. The next thing was the Beija body scrub. I did decide to keep that. Haven't used it yet, but I did decide to keep that. And I've literally just finished using the body scrub I was using. So the Beija one will probably be the next one I'll be using. The next product was from Esper, or the next 2 products were from Esper, and it was the Bergamot and Jasmine shampoo and conditioner. So it's the same fragrance that we've been getting in their body washes and everything else. We're getting body lotions as well. We got a shampoo and conditioner. Not the kind of product I tend to use, these kind of products. So I have put that, so I think that's a delivery. It's Amazon, wait a minute. Yeah, so the shampoo and conditioner, I did put that in my giveaway, and that will be in a video coming up. The next couple of videos it will be coming up. And the final product was from Rituals, and it was a bar soap, and I did keep that. I haven't used it yet, but I have kept it. I got in the Look Fantastic, I got a body lotion in the same fragrance, so they will be used together very soon. So last month's box was, I kept the mascara, kept the soap bar, and I kept the body scrub. So I kept 3 out of the 6 items, which is alright, that's okay. I mean, I've just about got my £11 worth, I will say, so that's fair enough. So I've got my value, I'd say, in the box. I got 3 out of the 6 items I decided to keep, so I think I got my value. Right, let's get on and see what's inside this one. There's usually a QR code of some sort, so let me do that. Here we are. There's the QR code, so let's do that. Okay. This is what the box looks like on the inside. Okay, so this is how it's normally wrapped, and this style box is the traditional glossy box, or the little pink box what we get. Right, let's have a look. Right, so we've got a little blurb here. So we've crafted a special collection for you with our latest edit, Autumn Glow. So this theme is Autumn Glow. As the pace slows and the crisp air sets in, this selection of a carefully chosen products is designed to help you unwind, protect your skin, and embrace the radiance of the season. This box will rejuvenate you after the summer, preparing you to shine throughout your autumn plans. In this digital magazine, we also share tips on keeping your lips moisturised as the colder weather approaches, along with how to elevate your shower routine with warm, soothing vanilla scents. Love, Team Glossy. Okay, right. So we've got another one of these. I'm assuming this is a freebie. We've got one of these. Was it in the last Look Fantastic? So what I've noticed with Look Fantastic and Glossybox, they both belong to the Hut group. So if we get something in one box, say this month, next month we'll get the partnering product to it in the Glossybox. They just seem to sort of pair off each other in the products we get. So last month I did receive the other fragrance of this. It was like a raspberry fragrance of this. Just a powder you put into a sort of a pint of water, and it will give you all your electrolytes and minerals to really hydrate you. So it's just another one. This one is in fragrance lemon and lime, which I will use. That's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we've got a choice of 2 items here. We've either got a Pro Collagen Marine Cream from Elemis, or we've got an Elemis Dynamic Resurfing Facial Wash. I would rather have the facial wash. But saying that, though, I'm actually using it at the moment, so, you know, because I had one recently. Looks like I've got the facial wash, so I'm all happy with that. So that's this product. More than happy to receive that. It's a nice product. I like using it. And it is actually what I'm using at the moment. So, and it's the same size one I've got as well. So I've probably got it from, I'm assuming I've probably got it from Look Fantastic in recent months. So this Dynamic Resurface Facial Wash, the Elemis Dynamic Resurfing Facial Wash gently refines skin with its foaming gel formula using patented trienzyme technology. It removes dead skin cells and supports natural renewal. Antioxidants cleanse away pollutants and shield against environmental damage, while moringa, babusu oil and white truffle nourish and protect the skin's moisture barrier. This size is worth £8.50, so it's a good travel size here, and you'll get a good, a good few weeks use out of this. So it's a nice product. As I said, I'm using it already. It's my current facial wash. I enjoy it, so I'm happy to get another one. So that is all good. So if you didn't get that, you would have got the marine cream. Right, next is from Youth Lab. That's this. And it's a brightening boom mask. Again, it's a sheet mask. More than happy to get that. I love a sheet mask. So I don't know this brand. I don't recognise the brand. So this is Brightening Boom Mask, a sheet mask powered by a complex of 12 vitamins and tranexamic acid, working like a bomb of refreshment and rejuvenation for the skin. Okay. Recommended retail price is £5.89, and you can buy it from, or get more information from youthlab.com. That's cool. I'm happy to get that. As I said, I love a sheet mask, so I'm more than happy with that. Then we've got from Saint Lux, and it's a setting spray. I've received this before, actually, I think. I personally didn't think this was that great when I've received it before. I found it quite wet and I don't think it actually set my makeup. It does make a difference, setting sprays. I mean, the ultimate setting spray for me is the one from Urban Decay, their setting spray, as well as the, is it Scandinavia? I can't remember what it's called. It's the brand that makes the Urban Decay setting spray. Those are the two best setting sprays. But saying that though, setting sprays I am still enjoying is this one from Kat Von D, Lock-It. This is also a good one. And I've got other setting sprays up there as well. So I'll probably keep this, I think. I'm not sure. But as I said, I don't think it's the best when it comes to setting sprays. Not for me anyway. Again, I've got very oily skin, and what happens with me is that once my oils start to come through, my makeup, especially if I'm not wearing a long wearing foundation, my makeup will start to slip and slide and melt off my face. So I need a good setting spray, especially a long day at work. I need a good setting spray. And this personally for me hasn't performed that well, but I'll give you the information about it. Setting spray, St. Lux's lightweight microfine setting mist enhances your skin's moisture retention and sets makeup with a radiant glow. Beyond flawless makeup, it revitalizes clean skin with active ingredients like purslane and hyaluronic acid, promoting skin healing and instant hydration for a dewy finish. Recommended retail price for this is £19.83. Just also let you know, this brand is one that is under the umbrella of That Woman. I've mentioned That Woman before. I can't remember her name now for some reason, but yeah, it's not my favourite. This will probably be going in a giveaway. This, I'm just saying, for me it's not that great, and it's definitely overpriced as well. It's £19.83. It's probably the highest priced item in this box, but we'll see. We'll see. Right, what have we got next? Next we have from MUA Makeup Academy. So we have got, I've received this before as well. I'm sure it was in a different packaging, but I'm pretty certain I've received this before. So this is MUA Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. For that long lasting pout, go back to matte with a new and improved version of our fan favourite Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Available in our core 13 lip shades. We always get this shade. The new formula sits lightly on lips to offer an incredible look without them drying out. Long wearing and smudge proof liquid lipstick with precision application, intensely bold colour and comfortable wear. This is not a colour for me, so I will be putting this in the giveaway as well. Recommended retail price for this is £3.75. I am sure when I've seen this before, they had a much higher price value for it. That price is far more realistic. Right, what else we got? And the last item in my box is from, oh, I haven't seen this brand for a while, Mod Masky. We used to get loads of Mod Masky things in the UK beauty boxes. So this is vitamin infused scalp serum. This scalp serum is really popular, if I remember correctly. This is a really, really popular product. People love it. They literally rave about it. So vitamin infused scalp serum, we've got 20 ml here. Rejuvenates your scalp pH balance in 30 days, halting hair loss by up to 72%. I don't know how they measured that. In just 12 days, they said it could do that. Crafted with botanicals and nurturing cold pressed oils, enriched with essential vitamins like B, D and E, this serum sustains scalp moisture, preserving hair elasticity and natural growth, ideal for repairing chemical damaged hair, including relaxer process strands. Okay, so this is good for sort of black women who are using relaxers in their hair. So relaxer process strands, bleach and heat damage. What does it say here? Tailored for all hair and skin types. dry, normal and oily. Recommended retail price is £19. I don't know if it's £19 for the full size or for this size, but as I said, this product has got lots of rave reviews, so I'm assuming it's because it is highly effective. I've never used it, so I might just give it a try. We'll see. Alright, so that's my box this month. There's nothing else in here. No, there's nothing else in here. So we've got this Modmaski hair serum, vitamin infused hair serum. I will be giving that a go. The sheet mask, of course, I'll be happy to use. And the LMS resurface facial wash. So those are 3 items I'm going to keep and I'm happy to use. And I've got my £11 back on those 3, so I'm happy about that. Products I'm putting in a giveaway are the MUA Velvet Lipstick, Matte Lipstick, and the Saint Lusk Setting Spray. 1, because this is a colour not for me. And 2, I've used this before and it hasn't worked for me at all. So these 2 will be going in a giveaway. And we've got a freebie. We've got this hydration drink to, you know, rejuvenate and fill you up with your electrolytes and all that sort of thing. I will use eventually when I remember. Put it in my water bottle before I go off to work and stuff. So that's my box this month. It's alright, that's a good box. Nice variety of products again. Hair, skin, makeup, that's all good really, isn't it? Yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's it. Let me know what you think down below. Alright. Don't think I'm doing a giveaway this month. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing a giveaway this month. I'm going to be saving it for next month. So no giveaway for September, but there will be a giveaway, I'm pretty certain, for October. Hope that's alright with you guys. Alright, take care, look after yourselves, enjoy the weather, and I will see you soon. Oh, don't forget, if you want to join, before I forget, if you want to join and subscribe to Glossybox, I do have a referral code down below, so if you do use my referral code, it all helps. I get points which build up to pounds, and I can use those pounds to sort of give myself a bit of a discount and a look fantastic website. So if you want to subscribe, please use my referral code down below. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.